Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Windows 11 error. We couldn't complete the updates and the undoing changes issue. First, we will clear the update cache. This helps remove broken update files that cause the error. Press the Windows key and search for services, then open it. Scroll down and find Windows Update. Right-click on it and click Stop. Now open File Explorer and go to the C drive, then open the Windows folder and find the folder named Software Distribution. Open it and delete all files inside this folder. After that, go back to Services and start the Windows Update service again. Next, we will use the built-in troubleshooter. Open Settings, then go to System, then Troubleshoot, and select Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. This tool will scan your system and fix common update problems automatically. Now make sure you have enough disk space on your system drive. Open File Explorer and check your C drive. You should have at least 10 to 15 GB of free space. If not, delete some large files or uninstall apps you do not need. Low storage can stop updates from installing properly. Finally, check important services again. Open Services and make sure Windows Update, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and Cryptographic Services are running. If any of them are stopped, right-click and start them. Then restart your computer and try updating again. Thanks for watching.